In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an entrances report in the new GA4. This is similar to the landing pages report in Universal Google Analytics, and it's a little different. So the first thing you want to do in your GA4 property is to choose Analysis Hub, and then we want to create a blank analysis. And the first thing you want to do is go here to the metrics section and choose entrances, apply. Next, you want to go to dimensions, and we want to choose the page title so that we can see the title of the page on our website, and then choose apply. And then you want to drag entrances over to the values column and clear this active users out, and then drag page title over to rows. And you can see here I have my page title and the number of entrances per page, and I'm going to sort this. So I click it a couple of times and I can now see which page has the highest to the lowest, and then how many entrances were on that page in this date range. So that's a great way to see where people are landing on your site.